It was probably the last summer of Isaac Lifshit's life when he was at that dacha, and I remember a memoir by another colleague of my grandmother, Valentin Kataev, also a very famous Russian author, came out where he portrayed Babel as French-oriented kind of author who really loved Paris and then kind of reluctantly came back to Moscow, to Russia, but his heart was in Paris, which was, of course, complete nonsense. Babel said Paris is for strolling, Moscow is for writing. And of course, if he stayed in Paris, he would have been alive. He would have survived. And I remember this man reading this memoir where Babel was nicknamed Frenchman. It was Novy Mir magazine that this old Jewish man had in his hands, and he would read it, and then suddenly he would take it and he would throw it into the corner of the room. And he would steam for a while. And then he would ask someone to go and bring it to him. And they would go and they would bring the magazine because it was about his friend. He had to read it. And again, he would read a couple of pages and suddenly he would take it and throw it in that corner again. So that is one of my memories of that man, memories of the childhood of my grandfather's oldest friend.